Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you guys can limit the product quantity that is bought off of your store on WooCommerce. So let's get right into it. Now, what you need to do is first install this add-on, which is the min-max quantities by Woo themselves, and you do need to subscribe to them to be able to access it. Once you buy it, you can then go ahead and download the file and add it to your site and activate it. Once you do, then you need to actually use it and actually set up your rules. And to install it, first you just, as I mentioned, download the zip file, go to WordPress admin, plugins, add new, upload the plugin, choose the zip file you downloaded, click install now, and then activate. Now, this requires WooCommerce 8.2 plus, PHP 7.4 plus, and WordPress 6.2 plus or greater. And that is basically all you need to do for the installation. Now, to add the product rules, you just need to edit the product and navigate to the product data in the general tab and locate the quantity rules section, which looks something like this. And once you do, you can configure the minimum and maximum quantity, which is available of your product, as well as multiples in the group of section, and exclude from certain options. Now, to limit the quantity of your items, just go into maximum quantity, set the maximum allowed quantity you would like to add for your product, and after you're done with that, you're pretty much set. You just need to save those changes, and that is basically it. Now, there are other finesses about this app, so I'll leave you to play around with it if you want, but other than that, that is pretty much it. You can also add variation rules, by the way, which also have something to do with the minimum and maximum quantity. However, that is pretty similar to this, so you can just limit whatever you want. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.